Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hello everyone. If you are using Cash App, you might be wondering, does Cash App really have a routing number like a bank account? The simple answer is yes. Cash App gives you both a routing number and an account number if you have direct deposit enabled. In this video, I will show you proof and also discuss where you can find your Cash App routing number. The question of whether Cash App has a routing number and an account number is usually asked by new users because old Cash App users already know that Cash App provides its own routing number and account number. This is also proven on the official website. It clearly says, to set up direct deposit in Cash App, you need both an account number and a routing number. This proves that yes, Cash App has its own account and routing numbers. Now let's move to the next article where you can see the step-by-step process of how to find your Cash App routing number. When you scroll down in this article, you will see at the bottom the process to get your routing number. First, go to the Cash App homepage, and at the bottom left corner, you will see a bank button just like shown in this picture. You need to click on it. After that, on the top right corner, you will see an account and routing button. Click on it. As soon as you click, your routing number and your account number will appear on the screen.